Dahua explosion-proof camera washing system is a fully integrated solution designed to maintain clear surveillance in challenging environments. It consists of an explosion-proof PTZ camera, a control box, a spray tank, and durable stainless steel accessories. After installing the key devices, proceed with the system connections. Using flexible conduit cable and cable glands that meet explosion-proof standards, connect the PTZ camera and the spray tank to the control box, and then wire the power and Ethernet cables. Finally, mount the cleaning nozzle to the bottom of the camera and connect the water supply pipe to the spray tank. Now, let's see how our system automatically cleans the camera lens to ensure clear and reliable surveillance. Camera configuration. Access the camera's built-in web interface to configure the washing parameters. You can set the precise spray duration, control the wiper's operating time, and enable the intelligent timed cleaning function. Preset setup. In DSS Pro, adjust the PTZ until the nozzle is fully visible in the video. Then save this as a spray preset position. Remote operation. Activate the cleaning cycle remotely by calling the saved preset. Cleaning process. Remote cleaning restores blurry surveillance footage to clarity. Dahua explosion-proof camera washing system keeps the lens clean and ensures consistent monitoring quality.